IELTS Part 89. Practice 3. Complete this form about your occupation or studies. This will help you organize your personal information. Job information form, company name, job title, length of the time at this job, duties, training required for this job, skills required for this job, things I like about this job, things I do not like about this job, future career goals. Education information form, name of college, university, major subject, classes I'm taking now, hours per week in class, years to complete degree, certificate, educational goals, future career goals. Write 4 sentences about your occupation on your studies. Use the example as models. Then, without looking at the form or the sentences, describe your job or school out aloud. Record your discussion and listen to it. Record it over and over until you are satisfied with your presentation. My occupation or my studies. Your hobbies. The examiner may ask you how you spent your free time. Do you like to read, go to the cinema, play sports? Do you have any hobbies like collecting stamps, bird watching, photography? Example 1. I enjoy bird watching. I often go to park near my house in the early morning to watch the birds. I also belong to a bird watching club. Several times a year we take trips to their places. We try to find birds that we've never seen before. You don't need much equipment for bird watching, just a pair of binoculars and a pair of strong legs for walking. I enjoy this hobby because I like to be outside and I'm fascinated by the natural world. Example 2. I like to play the guitar. I took lessons when I was a child. Some friends and I had a rock band once a long time ago. We played at parties. Now I mostly play on my own at home, and sometimes I get together with friends to play. I'm thinking about taking lessons again. I'd like to learn how to play jazz guitar. I have a large collection of jazz CDs. Useful words: interested in, enjoy, join, belong to, club, get together, learn how, lessons, equipment, collect, collection, passion, fascinate, fascinated boy. Practice 4. Complete this form about your hobbies or general interest. This will help you organize your personal information. Hobby free time activity information form. Hobby activity number 1. How often do you do this hobby or activity? Do you do it on your own or with other people? Do you belong to a club related to this hobby activity? How did you learn how to do this hobby or activity? Do you need equipment for it? What do you like most about it? Hobby activity number 2. How often do you do this hobby or activity? Do you do it alone or with other people? Do you belong to a club related to this hobby or activity? How did you learn how to do this hobby or activity? Do you need special equipment for it? What do you like most about it? Write 4 sentences about how you spend your free time. Use the examples as models. Then, without looking at the form or the sentences, describe your hobbies and general interest. General interest out loud. Record your description and listen to it. Record it over and over until you are satisfied with your presentation. hobby activity.